दक्षिणी राज्यों जैसे कि तमिलनाडु और केरल में भी खपत अच्छी है, जो दिखाता है कि वहाँ का आर्थिक और औद्योगिक विकास भी अच्छा है।
Hey guys, so for the past couple of days, we have been working on something really cool on IP Maps, and in this video, I would love to demo this feature to you. So let's say you are in the screen view, in the feed view, and आप projects देख रहे हो, and you find something interesting, and you would like to have more context on this map, right? So what you can do is you can click into the project and you can fork it, and then you will notice that हमारे पास data, style, export और ये सारे tabs तो थे, but now there is a new tab called the intelligence tab, और यहाँ पे होने वाला है बहुत सारा magic unlocked. The first button that you get access to is called generate insights, and as soon as we have like some explanation ki ye kya hai, what is this, you will see some related projects will start surfacing. So this is how much electricity is consumed, right, in 1 year. So we get things like annual per capita electricity consumption, or things like state-wise electricity consumption. If you want to go deeper and ask some specific questions, we also have like a chat view over here, and not just in English, but in many other Indian languages. So let's pick Hindi and we can ask this some question. क्या तुम मुझे बता सकते हो कि इस डेटा से हमें क्या insights मिलते हैं? We transcribe it on our end. You see it over here, और हम कर देंगे इसे send. So let's hear this audio response.
इस नक्शे के डेटा से हमें ये पता चलता है कि भारत के अलग-अलग राज्यों में प्रति बिजली खपत में काफी अंतर है। ये अंतर कई कारणों से हो सकता है, जैसे कि दिल्ली और गोवा में शहरीकरण और विकास का स्तर काफी ज्यादा है, जिससे वहाँ बिजली की खपत भी ज्यादा है।
तो आप इसे पूछ सकते हो कि give me related ideas of topics to look at. तो what it does is that ये कुछ ऐसे actionable things हमें suggest करता है, and as soon as we do that we see, देखिए, install capacity of renewable resources, and आप पढ़ सकते हो उनके बारे में, and you will also be able to have a conversation with them. So hey, I see there are 4 maps that you have created. Can you tell me what are the correlations that we see with the main map?
Absolutely. Let's explore some correlations among the maps. Agricultural electricity use. In states where agriculture is a significant part of the economy, like Punjab and Andhra Pradesh, the electricity consumption in agriculture is notably high. This reflects the demand for irrigation and other agricultural activities that require electricity.